Hello guys, welcome to my first video of Teardown. That's right, I am back from my vacation. It's been a month, and I'm happy to be playing some games again, because it really has been a while. And this is my first video of me recording Teardown, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun because I have a bunch of mods and I want to test them out and show you guys some of these mods that I've got. Okay. And yes, I am on the RMS Titanic right now because I think this is a perfect place to test out some of my abilities that I've got. So I guess the first one that I should really show off is this AK-47. That's right. Launch lifeboat. Oh. Let me just unhook it. Here, let me unhook it. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that is, yeah, that's one of mine. I want to sink it. I wonder if I can sink it. Oh. Okay, I just fell onto the next deck. Oh, I'm just pushing it away. Oh. I will buy lifeboat. Oh, there's some wires, some cables. Anyways, that's one of the mods I've got. I got this pipe bomb that looks like a banana. I guess that's technically a mod. I just want to take this thing down. Oh no, is it attached to something? Oh. Yeah, that looks a lot. Yeah, that's definitely a lot better. Oh, there's a fire down here. Let's put it out before it gets out of control. Okay. Well, yeah, there's the banana bombs. Okay, I cannot get up here. There we go. Just had to get a running jump and a shotgun. Okay, this next one is going to be very destructive. I actually want to get on the upper floor. Now, this ship's like a maze. Okay, I guess I'm just going to have to break my way up, because I really don't know where to go. So, the nearest stairwell is probably like... Okay, well, here's this one. This is an antimatter capsule. You throw it, and it does that. Yeah. And there's this Zeta cannon to point it wherever you want. It's a literal black hole. And it's doing a lot of damage right now. It's causing me kind of lag. Okay, the Zeta cannon is supposed to point it that direction. I believe there's a fire right there. And what's bad about the fire is there's a mod that I have. Okay, now there's a mod that I've got that increases it like disables the fire limit, and it makes it so fire spreads quicker and more realistically, which is really bad for this, because now the ship's gonna burn and I actually can't do anything. I don't know where the black hole is. I don't even care anymore. Well, anyway. No! Oh my god, bro. This... Oh, there's a stair. Nice. Ooh! Gonna have to put this out somehow. This is really bad. You see, this is what I was talking about. Oh, it's really, really bad. I'm just gonna leave that to be like that. The next one I have is a meteor storm. Now what you can do is you can fire meteors just like that. But you can also activate a meteor storm. So we have this. Yeah, it should just be meteors raining down. There's one that can go a little crazier. Cataclysmic meteor rainstorm. Basically, meteors raining everywhere. Oh. Is that one gonna hit? Oh, it just barely. Oh, no. I want to get a wider view for this. Oh my god. Wow. Oh wait, I just got... okay, I'm turning off the meters. Holy crap. Oh, I didn't really expect it to do that much damage. I only kind of expected this to happen. Whoa. Oh my. Oh, that's bad. This is collateral damage. This is really, really bad. I want to see what happened up here because I got a really good shot. I think that's it. Wow. Where did that come from? Oh, it hit straight at the smokestack. Okay, I want to see if there's any other points. Oh, right there. Oh, wow. That's cool. That is insane. Thank you. There was my first point of attack. So this is my next mod. It's a nuclear missile. So let's get this a little bit worse. Pause! I just want to say before I unpause the video that I forgot to tell y'all this is a nuclear weapon and I've been using it for quite some time and I haven't really launched a nuke, but that's basically what this does. Anyways, thank you. I don't know why, I just feel like it. Okay. Yeah, I actually want to really take this. Okay, I can't really see. Oh, is that my damage? Okay, one more. I think one more attack. Should no? More? What else do I need to do? It is literally just pivoting off of one piece, like 3 voxels. And I'm dying by 5. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna use the AK. One more shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's falling down. Oh! goes the first smokestack. And there's so much fire. The next one I have is telekinesis. So I can yeah, move things away. So I'm going to take this boat, and I think I'm just gonna jam it right in the side of this. Okay, I'm gonna pull it towards me. Not much. Wow, that's crazy. I can also just rip this door away, because no one needs that in the way. Okay. Aim fire. And the boat too. Oh yes. Yes, that is like the best ability. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, I accidentally pressed E. Wait, actually I kinda want to. Wait. No! No! Okay. What the heck is happening? Whoa. Okay. I am in like the bottom of the ship, I think. I don't know how to go. There's the fire. It reached all the way down here. That is amazing. I'm actually just impressed. You can't move those. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Well, here's the next mod. That's right. It's a tornado controller. If I press L here, these are the different controls I have. I've got all these different controls. So let's actually raise bolt chance up to 5. Debris weight, I don't really want to mess with that. I think these are good for now. So I'm going to close it. And I'm going to spawn it. Wait. It's for free roam. I'm going to do follow so that I can aim directly at me. I'm back on the ship. Well, I shall begin. And I'm going to I think I can just put peace. Well, here's my idea for that. I have a draw tool. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I accidentally spawned it right over me. Okay, well I had to take it away because that's not what I meant. Anyways, I'm going to spawn the tornado at the back of the ship, I think. So yeah, right now I'm actually like flying up. So I'm gonna spawn it like over there. I think it's working. It's very laggy right now. It was way too laggy. Wait, was that from the tornado? Oh my god, I think that was from the tornado. Yeah, it destroyed everything. Okay, well, I have more that I need to do, so I need to hurry this up. Okay, I restarted the map because it was super duper laggy. And also because I have more things I need to show. So this is a fire. Create fire if you press the right mouse button. And it spreads very fast, by the way. Yeah, we're creating another fire. But there's way more. If you left or right click, you create an explosion of fire. And you can hold it and you keep doing it. But there's more. Right, there's more. If you click both, you ignite a fire sword. And you can rain destruction everywhere. Goodbye, pole. Yep. Yep. It's kind of like telekinesis. With yeah. That's how much destruction this causes. Quite a bit, but and I want to come to the back here. We gotta get rid of all these poles. No more poles. Oh yeah. Also, it's a direct bridge as well. Straight up here. It's in tunnel. Again, oh no. Oh no, I'm falling through. It's okay. It's okay. And boom, perfect tunnel. Look at that. A perfect tunnel through the ship. Just push things back a little bit more. Okay. Nice. Well, anyways, here's the next thing. Yeah, this is a big jump from what I had previous. It is a giant gun that shoots a bunch of rounds. Oh no, there's a wall in my way. No worries. Now there's no more wall. You just walk straight through. Yeah, this is an amazing gun. Oh, more wall. Not to worry. Even more walls. It's no worries. Oh my god. You can even see my destruction. Oh god, I fell down. And that's how you, yeah. That's what this thing does. Well, there's more though. There is, as you can see in the bottom left, right there, you can see 3 different settings. I'm going to be using those 3 different settings. First, let's get rid of this. Boom. It's just easy. Look at that. There's this one too. This is 20 millimeter. So I can basically just tear away this whole front section in a second. Yep, just like that. Actually, I am gonna tear away this whole front section with this tool, the Omni Cutter. Yeah, I'm going things a little bit fast, but this is what the Omni Cutter does. Just wait. Yep, and you can, yeah, you can just pull things. Oh, there it goes. Oh no, is it stuck? Maybe it needs a little bit of help. There we go. Just like a torpedo. Anyways, let's remove this. Yep. Yep. There it is. Goodbye. Oh, not to worry though. We can bring it back. Let's just put it right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's what it looks like from a view. Doesn't that just look insane? It's literally eating those boats. Let's just get rid of that label. Yep. I think my game's broken. Oh, I'm gonna restart the map. Okay. Yeah, that was really destructive. I think I went a little bit too far. So this right here is a peculiar weapon, and this is what it does. Yeah, it shoots. It shoots planes. Oh. Yeah. But you can also do this. You can fly it and you shoot missiles. Attack! 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 Oh my god, there goes one. It's literally being eaten by the Titan as we speak. Attack! to call the Grand Titanic Canyon. Alrighty, well, I think that's all I have. Oh, I actually do have one more, and it's a C4. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to recreate the Titanic scene with the C4, and I'm going to explode it in half. Yeah, I do want to destroy this because I don't know how that is still standing. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Well, now that you've seen a demo of what this can do, it's time to explode the Titanic in half. Just like what happened in a movie, I think. Let's start. Well, this is the last. Oh wait, no, there's more. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this my first day back. Anyways, enjoy this. That's all I have to say. Oh boy. There it goes. It's fine. Anyways, bye guys.